Diggers, you're not going to believe this. I just got to the park. We're in between thunderstorms. And, there's a lot of flooding here. And look at this signal. 11:39 at 5 inches. And it was real choppy. I mean, I could barely get it to even lock on. It didn't even sound like a coin, to be honest with you. I really thought it was going to be a bottle cap. And look what I got. It's a barber quarter. I am in complete shock. This didn't even sound like a silver coin, much less a quarter at 5 inches. That just blows my mind. Oh, I'm feeling good now. All right, on to the next. Diggers, I don't frickin' believe this. Right there is where I got that barber quarter. Now, how many times have I hunted this piece of ground? I can't even tell you how many times I've hunted it. But the ground is just sopping wet. And I just had a trashy high pitch. And the first thing I pulled up was this big piece of clay pot or brick. And then lo and behold, look. It's smooth, whatever it is. Oh my gosh, is it smooth. Alright, well, it's real thin. It's a quarter, but I don't even know what kind of quarter it is. It's so worn down. That's just blowing my mind. It looks to be completely smooth. I wonder if it's a seeded or just a worn out barber. But look how thin it is. Alright, well, I'll get back to you once I figure out what it is. On to the next.